Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we want to teach you how structured query language command works. First, let me introduce our team member, which is me, Iskandar Zulkarnain, Auji Amalin, Alia Dia, Muhammad Firdaus and Nur Nazrina Sofia. So, why we need to learn about the SQL? First, you have to know how to retrieve data using a command and to realize the correct syntax of the SQL. Now, let's move on to the problem solve questions. Before that, this is the table that being created, which is the table menu, table customers, and table orders.
For question 1, show customer details that their order ID is 3005. The query is select customer ID, customer name, contact number, address from customers, where customer ID is select customer ID from orders, where order ID is 3005. The problem solving, the solution is we need to look at the subqueries first, which is select customer ID from orders where order ID is 3005. Look at the table orders and find the order ID and customer ID. Look for the order ID 3005, which is the customer ID is 2001. Then we need to look at the table customers. Select customer ID, customer name, contact number and address, which customer ID is 2001. Then we get the answer for the question 1, which is customer ID 2001, customer name Auji Amali, contact number 011214494424, and address is Taman Setapak Indah, Kuala Lumpur.
Question 2. Show list of category item and their order quantity. The solution is select m.category o.quantity as order quantity from menu M orders O. Menu table reset as M, orders table reset as O. Select m.category, category from the menu table, o.quantity, quantity from the order table as order quantity. The quantity we rename it as order quantity at the output, where m.item underscore id equals to o.item underscore id. This condition is important if you want to link these two tables together. Group by m.category o.quantity, the result will be grouped by category and quantity. This is the output.
Next, question 3. Show the customer ID, name and their order quantity that have the telephone numbers start with 017. So, that's the solution. Select C customer underscore ID, C customer underscore name, and O quantity as order quantity from customer C and order O. That means we use two tables, customer as C, order as O. Customer ID and customer name we take from table customer and quantity we take from table order. And quantity we have to rename the as order quantity in the output table. Next, the condition is C customer ID equal to O customer ID. That's for link the two table order and table customer. The next condition is C contact underscore number like 017 for we have to take the contact number start with 017. Last, group by. Group by is for display the result that organized by customer ID and customer name. So that is the output.
In conclusion, SQL is an amazing tool that can handle and manage the data in our database. As we can see in the previous video, there are various syntax that we can use in order to manipulate and process the data to display the result that is specific to what we wanted. As we can see previously just now, we use some subqueries to specify more on the condition on what are the output that we want to display. And the SQL managed to do that excellently using the right syntax.